Yashika, a student of Vishesh Academy of Commerce. I was facing numerous problems due to the prevailing situations of COVID-19, which directly affected my studies. But teachers of Vishesh Academy helped me to get familiar with the issue. Online learning was no longer a problem. Teachers here taught us in a manner that we hadn't ever missed offline classes and encouraged us to perform well. No doubt, Vishesh Academy is one of the best academy for commerce, but also its environment and the way teachers deals with the students in a supportive manner makes it superior among all. Vishesh Academy, along with academics, provided me opportunities to grow and explore my skills. My experience till the date has been amazing, and I'm thankful to be a part of Vishesh family.